Shit, I'm
1 2
shaking.
1 2 1 2. If you're older than 30, put your hand up quickly, please. I'll take that 50,000 rand bit over there. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, this is going to be a great auction. And remember, it's not the knife that you're buying, it's the story. And that's a story that'll live with you and your family forever. So, we've got $1,000 on the table. You got a 1.5 here, thank you very much, and a 1.8 there. We're going up to 300. We got a 2 grand here. Let's go. We got a 5,000. Yeah, give the man a hand. But we just started. That buys the handle and not even the name on it. Let's keep going. We got a 5,000. Yeah, 5,000. Yeah. Where else are we going? We got a
Come on.
5.5. There we. 5.1. Okay, 15. We've got a 15. Yeah, 5.1. 5.1, any betters on 5.1? Don't stop now, you might lose it. 5.5, and we've got 5.5 from the gearbox specialist. Old landing people, thank you very much. That's the story, it'll go on the desk, but not yet. 5.8, 5.8, this is going better, guys. The guys are crying now, keep it up. Keep the momentum going. Let's go. 6 grand, yeah, biscuit. There you have it. You see what happens when the Landy guys get together? Sell your Landy. I'll pay 20 grand for any defender here. Regardless of condition, and I'll put it down to the knife. Right, we got what do we got? 6 grand here? Anybody better than 6 grand? Nobody else behind me. 6 grand. Any better than 6 grand? Going once. 6 grand going twice, so it's 3 grand each to each of the, 2 grand each to the brothers. Going a third time? Sold. Well done, sir. Well done, guys. I think I bought a knife from you guys. Thank you.